Children, in today's video we will learn how to find out the difference between the length of the two notes. So as we know, the length of hundreds note is 14.3. So we will write length of hundreds note is 14.3 centimeters. Okay, so what we are doing, we are trying to find out the difference. हिंदी में इसका मतलब है फ़र्क, हमें दो लेंथ के बीच का फ़र्क निकालना है. Okay, now what is the difference between the two lengths? Let us try to find out the length of tens note. So you have recorded the length of tens note, that is 12.3 centimeters. Okay, what is the difference between the length of these two notes? यानी कि 100 rupees का नोट हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि what is, how big is 100 rupees note, then a 10 rupee note, or we can say how small is the length of 10 rupee note, then 100 rupee note. So for to finding out difference, what we do is, अब हम क्या करेंगे, हमें फ़र्क निकालना है. So देखो, अब I can't cut the note but I can say कि इतना बड़ा है ये, ठीक है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 14.3 was the length of hundreds note and 12.3 was the length of tens note. We will subtract, so 3 millimeters, and this is 2.0 centimeters. Let us verify our answer using scale. So we'll keep both the notes together on the edge. इसको बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के ऊपर रख दो, ठीक है. And let us try to find out the difference. So as you can see, read out, this is 0 and this is 2. So difference between the length of two notes is 2 centimeters. Similarly, if we have to find out the difference between 500s note and tens note. So the length of 500s note, ठीक है, हमारे 500 का नोट का length is 15 centimeters. We don't have any millimeters, so we can also write down this as 15.0 centimeters. We know the length of tens note is 12.3 centimeters. Now what is the difference? तो difference क्या होता है, फ़र्क. अब फ़र्क कैसे निकालेंगे हम, ठीक है. This is the difference between the length of two notes. So take out this difference. We will subtract smaller length from the bigger one. So to subtract, what we will do, we'll take borrow. So this is, ये बन जाएंगे हमारे पास 14 सेंटीमीटर्स, और 1 सेंटीमीटर को जब हम यहाँ तोड़ देंगे, सो देखो, as you can see, this is 1 centimeters and we can say this is 10 millimeters. So we can write down here 10 millimeters. 10 minus 3, 7 millimeters, and this is 2.7 centimeters. ठीक है. अब let us verify this. So the difference between the length of two notes is 2.7 centimeters. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. यानी कि 1 centimeters, 2 centimeters and 2.7 centimeters.